You brushed your teeth yet?
Yeah.
Have you got your lunch bag?
Yes.
Have you got your shoes on?
Yeah.
Are you still in your pyjamas?
Yes.
Visual schedules aren't just for school. They can make home life calmer and easier too. I'm the ICT guy, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can build a simple schedule, add timers to tasks, customize photos, and enable your child to move all of their tasks to the all done column. Choiceworks is a picture-based tool for routines and schedules, and it's designed for parents, carers, and also can be adapted for use in schools by educators as well. You can find the Choiceworks app on the App Store, and there is a light version available for you to try out. And there is also a bundle available which combines Choiceworks app with the Choiceworks calendar. Here we have the Choiceworks app. Let's open it up and have a look. Once you open the app, you can see that you've got various types of boards. You've got schedules, we've got weighting boards, we've got feelings boards, we've got a feelings scale as well. There are a few example ones already drawn up. For example, the nighttime schedule. You can see you've got all the tasks that you need to do here in the right order, and you can drag them across into the all done pile.
Dinner, all done.
And then move on to the next one. I'm going to show you, first of all, how we can create our own schedule, and it starts in a fairly straightforward way by going to the plus button up here, and you've got to choose what type of board you want to make, and we're going to make a schedule board. You can search through the app to see if they've got their own images you can use. So I'm going to create a morning schedule. I'm just going to call it my morning though. And then I need to populate it with a list of tasks. So if I wanted to add a task, I'd search for one, and I like to start my morning with coffee. Now you can see there isn't an actual coffee image there, so I'm going to add in my own one. So I'm going to click camera image up here, and then I'm going to go down to add image. Now you can either go from your camera and take a photo of something right where you are, you can use the photo library, or you can search the Choiceworks library. I'm going to go to my photo library. It takes a few seconds just to access that. And up in collections, you can see I've already made a little album called My Morning. I've got a nice picture of a coffee. You can move it and you can scale it. So I might move it down a little bit or zoom in a little bit. So I'm going to start off by putting coffee. There it is, move it down a little bit. I'm happy with that, so I'm going to click save. So first I need to have a coffee. After that, I'm going to go back in and I'm going to find an image from my photo library. Again, it takes a few seconds just to load. You can see in my collection, I've also got kettlebell. So I'm going to do some exercise. Move that down a little bit and press save. After that, I'm going to choose another image from my photo library. And in my collection, I'm going to say, I'm going to do some emails. And that'll be my morning routine. Obviously, I'm having a bit of a joke here, but just to give you an idea of how it would all work. If you've saved those and in the future I want to have another coffee somewhere, I can simply put it in again. You can see that you can actually move these around. So I could go coffee, exercise, coffee, emails, followed by coffee, maybe. And then after that, we choose what we can do. Then I can do this or this. So for in here, we could search. We could say, let's have a rest. Yes. Or what else could I do? Oops, no, not an arcade. Or I could say, read a book. I could read a book. And for these, you can add a timer, which I think is really useful for all of those. So you might say, actually, at the end of that, maybe we want to add a timer. Maybe you could have a rest for 5 minutes. Or I could read a book also for 5 minutes. There we are. I'm done with my early morning routine. And here it is, all finished. So once I've done my coffee, I'm all done.
All done.
Go to my next one.
All done.
Next one.
All done.
My next one.
All done.
Then I can choose
Rest.
what I want to do. And I click on rest, and I can start doing it. There we go. So now we've come out of that, you can see that my morning schedule is here, ready to go. If you want to change any of those images, like for example, the coffee one that I made, if I wanted to make any edits to that, you'd go up to the settings icon in the top left and scroll down where it says Manage Image Library. You'd search for the one you created. There's my coffee one. And in here, you can change some of the things for it if you wanted to switch it around. If you want to delete the image, you can do that. You can also add image audio if you wanted to, so you could record it. Coffee. Coffee. I'll just save that. And there we have it. Our schedule is ready to go. Now there's lots of schedules here that you might not have need for. So if you click up to the edit button, you can actually delete the ones that you don't actually want. Make your home screen a little bit clearer. You'll only have the boards on there that you need. So for example, if I wanted to get rid of that one, simply press delete and it's gone. So you might want to just trim that right down and only have the basic schedules that you need to use with your child. So as well as just having the morning routine, you could also create your own boards for bedtime routines, for homework or learning time at home, getting ready for school or getting ready for appointments, or transitioning between activities, for example, moving from school to home time to playtime to dinner time, or preparing for any unexpected changes or weekend trips away. You might even do this to help them build independence with their self-care routines, such as toileting and dressing and brushing their teeth. You could break these down into much simpler steps. And at school, this could be used for sort of your daily classroom visual schedule or transition times between lessons or activities or breaks. It could even be used for tidy up and packing away routines or getting yourself ready for the end of the day routine. There's lots and lots of different options you could use this for. And this app is flexible enough for you to be able to create your own images and your own very, very specific routines. That's how you create a simple schedule using the app Choiceworks. Do let me know in the comments below how you use this app. I'd be very interested to find out. If you found this video useful, do consider subscribing to my channel so you can get notified of any future videos I make. I'm that ICT guy, and thanks for watching.